Here we have a 2014 Jeep Cherokee, customer concern, dragging sound while driving. Oh, what do we have dragging? Should have wore a bigger jacket today. Stinking cold out. Well, oh, what's that? Oh. So when I'm turning right, let's see. I'm turning left. Yep. So when you're turning, thump, 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 thump. Oh, let's go get it in here and find out. Oh, that sounds actually like the middle of the vehicle. Let's see. Well, kind of feels like right front. Let's see here. Almost feels like it's almost back far enough to say like the drive shaft, but I don't know, I'm just guessing. I like to guess and then get it up in the air and see if I'm close. All right, we'll get it in here and see what we got going on.
What? Old paperwork, remember that it was writing? They just write it. It's making noise when you turning right and left.
Yeah.
So that's why we changed the talk. And I think it was doing the same thing again.
This has a new drive. Is this the one that
Yeah, that's the car. That shit is from remember?
is this the one that somebody put the new drive shaft in?
Yeah, drive shaft, and then you said we're gonna send that car back to them, you know?
No, I said it needs a front diff.
Yeah, the front diff, they don't change that.
Why not?
I don't know. Did you okay? So I just gave that car back to drive time,
Yeah.
and then they just give back to us again.
And
And
because
they-
they were supposed to send it back to the other guy. to have him-
Other guy to do it, but I think they don't. I don't know why they send it back to us. Maybe they don't remember like that.
Yeah.
Because it's need this part. Remember, you and
Yeah.
AJ was checking over there. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. That's the part that needs.
Yeah.
So when you turning right and left, it will making noise.
Yeah. Huh.
Just
So
a cool-
why didn't they? I didn't realize it was that car.
Yes, that's the car. And
Yeah.
then when I was taking that car like 2 days ago from there, and I was thinking like we did that car, that Sharks thing,
Yeah.
and then they're just giving us back. And then I was thinking that they don't want to do that because they just want to send that car to us.
Yeah.
So that's the car that needs that part.
Yeah.
I don't know, man, why they sent.
Yeah. Huh. So, I mean, maybe I should let you, maybe I should let it down and have you go up in it just to, okay, I remember this car now. And I think there's gonna be a name right here. Let it roll. Hit the brake. Yeah, right there. Yeah. You got it. Hold the brake and put it in drive. Yeah, I diagnosed this already as the front diff. And they was going to, because they said another shop already put the front diff in it, or well, transfer case. And they was going to send it back to them. Apparently they didn't. So yeah, I've already diagnosed this car. And they sent it back to us again. So I don't know what's going on. Maybe that other shop said they wasn't going to do it, and now we have to do it. But yeah, it's this front transfer case is bad. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.